non-constructive sounds are phonetic variation of a single phoneme that do not change the meaning of a word and are often found in predictable environments. These variations, called allophone, are different physical realization of the same abstract sounds category, meaning they are perceived by native speakers as the sound. For example, phoneme T in English sometimes pronounced sounds T, as in the word stop, and it sometimes is pronounced in the aspirated from T R in the word time. The answer number 1 is an allophone is a variation in the pronunciation of the same phoneme that does not change the meaning of a word. There are two types of allophones. One is situational allophone. It occurs because of a phoneme's position, initial, medial, or final, and its phonetic environment, the nearby sounds. Example, the phoneme P has three variants. P in pale, strongly, aspirate, initial position. P in spill, weakly, aspirate, medial position. P in stop, unreleased, final position. 2 is preferential allophone, occurs due to a speaker's preference or accents, not because of position or environment. In summary, an allophone is a sound variant of a phoneme that depends on position, environment, or speaker preference. Is phonological rules are the unconscious automatic rules of thumb that our brains use to convert the abstract mental representation of words into the actual speech sounds we pronounce in conversation. They are a fundamental part of the mental grammar that every speaker possesses, governing how sounds are altered, added, or removed in specific contexts to make speech flow more naturally and efficiently. Therefore, there is 7 types of phonological rules: 1. Assimilation, 2. Dissimilation, 3. Insertion, 4. Deletion, 5. Metathesis, 6. Fortition, 7. Lenition. Assimilations explains how a certain sound changes to become more like another sound in its immediate phonetic environment. Dissimilation can be understood as a phenomenon by which one sound in a word is changed or commit that consequently makes the pronunciation of the word dissimilar. For example, 1. The word handbag is normally pronounced handbag, but in repeat speech. 2 is the word fifth, 5, and 6, which end with voiceless dental fricative sounds. Number 5 is yes, knowing phonological rules has several advantages. Understanding these rules helps speakers and learners of a language produce correct and natural pronunciation. Phonological rules explain how speech sounds change depending on their position and environment in a word, allowing speakers to sound more fluent and native, like, for example, by knowing that the phoneme T can have different allophones such as T and teeth, or unreleased T. Learners understand why time is pronounced with an aspirate T, while stop has an unreleased T.